Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all have completed, you all have read the chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, Go with Logo. This chapter completed. So today we will solve the book exercise. I hope you all practice in your home. Today we will solve my practice zone. So you all please take out your computer book and keep your computer notebook with you also, because question answer we will write in our notebook, okay, and fill in the blanks, true, false, tick the correct, matching. This part we will solve in our book with pencil, and question answer we will solve in our notebook. Short answer type questions we will solve only, okay. Now you all please follow me and note down in your book. Fill in the blanks. My practice zone, page number 98, okay. Number 1, fill in. Number 1, fill in. A. First number A. Dash is a language which is used to draw basic shapes and perform arithmetic calculation. Dash is a language. Logo is a language is used to draw basic shapes and perform arithmetic calculations. So first answer logo. First answer logo. Number B. Next number B. The logo screen is divided into dash part. The logo screen is divided into two parts. One is main screen, another one is commander window. The logo screen is divided into two parts. You just write down in a blank portion 2. Now number C. The commands used to move the turtle on the screen. The commands used to move the turtle on the screen and to draw different figures, and different figures are called dash. The commands are called primitives. Write down number C, primitive. P-R-I-M-I-T-I-V-E, primitive. Next number D. Next number D. The dash command is used. The dash command is used to display a letter, a number, a word, or a sentence in the commander window. The print command. Print command print all this in a commander window. It displays all this in the commander window. Print command. P-R-I-N-T. Now number E. The primitive used for the forward. The primitive used for the forward command is dash. FD. Forward. FD. You all please write down in capital FD. This is a short form of forward. Now we will solve true, false. Number 2, true or false, okay. First number A. First number A. State whether the following statements are true or false. Print first. Print first command is used to display the first word of the sentence. Yes, print first command is used to print the first word of the sentence. So number A, true. Number A, true. Now you all please solve in your book, okay. Next number B. Logo cannot be used to draw pictures. Logo cannot be used to draw picture. It is false, because logo, we can use logo to draw pictures also. It is false. Next number C. Clear screen command. Clear the main screen and bring the turtle to the center of the screen. Clear screen command is used to clear the main screen and bring the turtle to the center of the screen. It is true. C, true. Next number D. Print command cannot be used to do calculation. It is false. Print command is used to do the calculation. If you want to see the output on the screen, we have to use the print command. So number D, false. Here told cannot be used, so it is false. Next number E. Next number E. Arithmetic calculations can be done using logo. Yes, arithmetic calculation, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we can do this using logo command. So it is true. Number E, true. Number E, true. So fill in the blanks. A, logo. B, 2. C, primitive. D, print. And E, FD. And 2, true false. A true, B false, C true, D false and E true. Now tick the correct answer. Now question number 3. Tick the correct answer. Number 3, tick the correct option. Number A, first number A, which of the following primitives is used to clear the screen? CS, clear screen. This command is used to clear the screen. CS, option 1. A1 is the correct answer. CS, clear screen in capital letter. Next number B. What will be displayed on the screen if you type print national park? The print in the bracket national, number 2 national park in the bracket, number 3 national park only, and number 4 in a inverted comma national park. No, number option 3. Only we can see national park, this word on the screen. National park. Next number C. Next number C. Which command is used to display the first word of the sentence? Which command is used to display the first word of the sentence? Print first. Print first command only we can use to display the first word of the sentence. Option 3. C also 3 is the correct answer. Print first. Print first. Print first command. Okay. Next number D. Next number D. What will be displayed on the screen? What will be displayed on the screen if you type print sham 1 5? Print sham 1 and 5 if you want to sham 1 and 5, the display 6. 5 plus 1 6. Option 1 is the correct answer. 6. Here 1 and 5 between should be a gap, 1 space and then 5. Okay. Here gap is not there. This look like a 15. It's not 15. Here 1 then space then 5. Then answer will be 6. Now which of the following commands is used to check equality? Here equality check equal command. Option 2. E2 is the correct answer. E2 equal command. Equal command is used to check the equality. Equal command is used to check the equality. Okay. Next, turn over the next page. Now we will solve match the following. Question number 4. Match the following. Okay. Number 4. Match. Here A, B, C, D and E. First print P R I N T. Print 13 greater than 13. A B print reminder print N D E R 17 2. 17 then space then 2. Okay. Next number C. Print first pen. P R I N T. First pen. Now print difference nine 4 and number E print computer science. And right side it's given, right side here is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, here number 1 is written 1, number 2 false, number 3 computer science, computer science, and number 4 here is given P, and number 5 5, number 5 5. So print 13 greater than 13, print 13, here look, print 13 greater than 13, here it is false, 13 and 13 are equal. So the message will show, if you apply this logical command, this logical operator here you use, here it will show false. So 2A, so 2A, here it will show false. Next, print remainder 17 2, print remainder 17 2, it will show 1, remainder 2, 8 jar 16 and remainder 1. So here this is B, 1 B. Okay, print first page, only the first character will print, only the first letter will print here P. So 4 C, 4 C, and print difference 9 and 4, here answer will be 5, 9 minus 4 5. So D, 5 D, 5 D, and print computer science, only the computer science this word will print. So 3 E, 3 E. So 1 B, 2 A, 3 E, 4 C, 5 D. Okay, done everyone? I hope completed. Now you all please take out your notebook for the question answer. Very short answer type questions we will solve. Very short answer type questions we will solve now. Okay, write down the heading, chapter number 7, a question and answer. Very short answer type questions. Question number 1. What does logo stand for? What does logo stand for? Logo stands for language oriented, graphic oriented. So you all please write down, logo stand for language oriented, graphic oriented. Okay, write down LANGUAGE, language oriented. First letter will be in capital letter, ENTET, oriented, graphic oriented, logic oriented, graphic oriented. Okay, logo stands for logic oriented, graphic oriented. Okay, next question number 2. Next question number 2. Give any two uses of logo. Give any two uses of logo. Any two uses of logo. Uses of, we use logo to draw, and we use logo to draw pictures and draw basic shapes, arithmetic calculation, logo is used, logo is used to draw basic shapes and perform arithmetic calculation. Arithmetic calculations. Okay, now I have to rub the board for the next two questions. Okay, now what is turtle? What is turtle? Question number 3. What is turtle? Now write down the answer. A small triangular which moves on the small triangle which moves on the screen. Okay, turtle, you can write down a answer. A small triangle, which moves on the screen, according to the commands What is turtle? A small triangle which moves on the screen according to the commands given by you is called a turtle. Is called turtle. A small triangle which moves on the screen according to the commands given by you is called turtle. Okay. Next question number 4. How many control buttons are present in the commander window? How many control buttons? How many control buttons are present in the commander window? In the commander window, how many control buttons are present in the commander window? Commander window, how many control buttons are present in the commander window? These are the control buttons. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 control buttons are present in the commander window. Write down the answer. 8 buttons. 8 buttons. Okay, what are here is given: halt, pause, step, trace, status, reset, execute, idle. These are the control buttons. Okay, and for today this much, and next class I hope I will discuss the new chapter. Okay, short answer type questions I will just next class I will just once I will discuss, and then I will start the new chapter. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye all of you, and you all will solve in this chapter in your book and notebook also. Okay, question answer in your notebook. Bye.